What's up guys, English Dan. So as you know, I'm a part of Team Pixel and I've been waiting for today really eagerly. So here it is. This is what Google have sent to me today. Let's open up the box and see what's in there. Alright guys, welcome back. So yeah, this came to me this morning. Shipped out to a few of us guys who do YouTube. So let's open it up. So the first thing we get is the Hyperspeed Helper. So what is this? So this is just some information. We're excited to introduce you to some of the latest and greatest from Google. Our mission is to build a more helpful Google for everyone. Basically, thank you cards and hope you enjoy what you have. Nice. Even in a nice little made by Google envelope. And then we flip up this part of the box and bam! Look at that. So there's the new Sage Green Pixel 5 5G. Also a set of the new Pixel Buds and the new fabric case for the Pixel 5G, which are, believe it or not, machine washable. Mind blown. Alright, so let's get some of these out of here. So we'll stack these up for a second. And then I'll take you through what's in each box. That was loud, but still. Okay, so because I'm a cheater and I was too excited, we'll put them to one side for a moment. Pixel 5. First thing you see when you open the Pixel 5 is the green Pixel 5. Yeah, I couldn't wait. Sorry guys, I had to take it out and look at it. And that is such a nice colour, the sage green. I wasn't sure because green's not a favourite colour of mine. Bit of a backstory on that. My parents one day, well, over the space of a while, decided when they'd redecorate each room, they totally forgot that every other room in the house was green. Every room in my parents' house was green apart from my bedroom. I was so sick of green. But this came today and I really do like it. It's got like a textured effect. It's got like a stipple like design into the actual green. It's not garish. It looks really good. But anyway, so this is the Pixel. I'll take a closer look at that with you in a moment. What do you get in the box? So obviously you get the SIM pin because I needed that. Then you get your Google paperwork that everybody reads. I'm sure you do. I know I do. Not. But still, here it is. That's just a piece of paper that tells you how to put the SIM inside the actual device. So nothing really great there. This is the book that comes with the Pixel 5. Meet your new Pixel, set up your new Pixel. So yeah, this is safety warnings, basic safety. And then just like any other Pixel device we've had in the past, we get the fast charger in the box. And then we also get USB-C cable and USB-A to USB-C adapter. Pretty usual, standard stuff when you buy a Pixel. This is what comes with all Pixels normally. So we'll close that back up. Box, just very basic, very clean, typical Pixel look. Back of the box says hashtag Team Pixel. You see that? Hashtag Team Pixel. Hell yeah. Anyway, so in the next box is the fabric case that it came with. And when you open this, you get this. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry guys, I'd already opened it. Fabric, it's like it's got blues, greens and golds and lime green in there. It's got a lime green button, lime green Google logo. On the inside is the same color as the phone actually. Same sage green Google Pixel 5. It's a soft velvet, very easy to put the phone into here. You just grab it and put it in. Get that hair off there. So yeah, I'm gonna put my fingerprint sensor. So there's your home screen. It's got a punch out hole camera up in the top corner like the Pixel 4a is a 90Hz screen as well, and it's very, 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 very fast. Like, very fast. I'm amazed how fast it is. I can't really show you much more than the home screen for now, but give it a few days and I will be able to show you everything on this device. So yeah, this is the cover, like I was saying, and it fits perfectly. Hole for the fingerprint sensor. Yes, it's a rear mounted fingerprint sensor again. Really happy about that. This thing is fast, precise every time. And then you'll see with the cameras, as they advertised, we have a wide angle and the regular and the flash. So it's nice that we got a wide angle camera. Thank you, Google. Thank you. So yeah, so that's the cover. Let's take this off here so I can show you some more of the phone. Get a bit closer up to the camera for you. Ooh, there's my Google Pay, but I don't want that. Right. And it also came with Galaxy Buds. I'm going to be doing a separate review on these. I put these in this morning, and these are really good. I'll get more onto that shortly. So this is what everyone wants to see today. It's the Sage Green Pixel 5. A lot of people have been excited about this, me included. But yeah, let's try and get this focused in for you. There you go. It is such a clean finish on this phone. It just looks superb. I love it. Come on, zoom in. Focus in. You can do it. There you go. It just looks really clean. The button on the side of the green one is chrome, so it's not so much of a coloured button, but it's chrome. And then the volume buttons match the body. The body is made out of recycled aluminum. Also does have wireless charging. Yeah, aluminum body and wireless charging. From what I was reading, Google have created a hole in the actual case itself, the aluminum case, and then put like a resin inside there, the same thickness as the aluminum, or aluminium, depending on where you're from. And then they sprayed over that with the same finish, so you can't tell. You have no idea that's there. So that's how wireless charging supposedly works. We'll have to see. Wait till Jerry tears one down, I suppose. But yeah, and the Google logo on the back here is the same as the power button. It's green, so it's like a metallic green, but it looks real good. On the bottom of the device, speaker USB-C. On this side of the device, nothing apart from your SIM tool and your SIM ejector, whatever you want to call it, where you put your SIM card. And then on top, microphone hole. Does have dual speakers as well, and the sound does really pump out really well. I'll show you that in my next video. I obviously don't want to, I can't really go into a whole lot like I said, but I mean it's super fast. 90Hz display, AMOLED display, just looks really nice. It's very comfortable to use as well. It's smooth, but it is slightly textured on the back. I would actually think I'm going to try and rock this without a case. What? Without a case? Yeah, I think I'm going to try this without a case, because the 4A was really good without a case. And, you know, I've got a feeling this one's going to be just fine. I don't tend to drop my phones or throw them around anywhere. But I think this is a really good looking device. Really looking forward to putting it through its paces. Like I said, right now I've only had it an hour or so, and I can't really tell you a whole lot about it, how it's performing. But give it a few days and I will tell you all about the Google Pixel 5. Alright guys, just a quick video. Just wanted to show you what Team Pixel sent me. It's a lovely gift from Google. Love them guys. Love the Pixel devices. Love the extras. Let me know, are you getting a Pixel 5G, or are you going with the 4A or a 4A 5G? The Pixel 5 5G is exceptionally nice, and this is the higher end. It's $699 when it comes out. I think it's available for pre-order right now, and it comes out on the 29th of October, I believe. If that's wrong, I'll put a slide up or something like that, just so it corrects me, because, you know, I'm old now, and I'm in my mid-40s, and what can I tell you? Anyway, that's me. That's a Green Pixel 5. And I'll catch you in the next one.